Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video on how to adjust your chain. I'm using my 2018.5 KTM 450 SXF. I've probably said that too many times if you've watched the rest of my videos. This is just real quick. It's an easy task. It's simple to do. So first off, you got to have your bike up on a center stand or some kind of stand in order to measure this. So I've got mine sitting on my handy dandy center stand here. Let's turn it so we can see this a little better. And what we're going to do is do a quick measurement. So at the end of your chain guard, basically you want to take, for this bike, the spec is 55 to 58 mils. I've got some markings on my ruler here, just because it makes it easy for me. At the back of the chain guard, you're just going to take your chain and pull it up and see where you're at. So you can see right now I'm speccing out at about probably, it's about 70 mils. Turn it a couple times, try again. Your chain's going to stretch as you ride. So a little bit better in that spot, but it can use an adjusting. That's on the loose end. There we go. All right, so tools you need for this job. For my particular bike, it's a 1.25 inch big socket. Breaker bar is going to help you, and then some sort of torque wrench to torque it up afterwards. And then just some small adjuster. I think it's a size 10 for mine or a size 8. I got to look and see when I get to it. Grab both of these just for adjusting the nuts on the end. I'm pretty sure it's a 10. Yeah, 10. All right, so here's what you do. Breaker bar, all I'm going to do is loosen off my axle nut. You can see this here. Okay. Loosen it off. Doesn't have to come right off. You just want to loosen it so that you can adjust. Now, some bikes, I've got some aftermarket bling here on mine. Some bikes here, you'll have a lock nut that's like a size 13. That's fine. You can undo those and loosen those off again. You don't have to take them off. You're just going to adjust here counterclockwise to stretch it out. Now, what I do is I look at the lines here. You'll always have lines. You have some sort of grooves. Pick something that lines up and then adjust the same. As long as the lines are close to the same, you're good. So for the adjustment I want to make, I don't have a big adjustment. I'm going to go basically 2.5 out on each side and see what that does. And I'll see where that lines up. Probably this second line right against the edge here is where I'm going to use. So get my head down where I can actually see that. See, that's pretty good. And you just want it even, otherwise your bike, you're going to be messing up your tracking. There's other gadgets you can get. Let's try and do that. I don't think you need anything more than that. Just your eyes are pretty good. So on this side, I'll look again. Second line is going to line up there. So I want to stretch this guy out. Same amount. You can count as well, I guess. But the key is just pick something so that it lines up. And there's a little bit of back and forth. So the top tip I've got for you is once this is done, I kind of got this lined up where I want. Spin your wheel a couple times so it seats against the marks. And we're going to check it. We'll see where I come in at. So, yeah, that's better. That's right in the middle of the spec. Let's see, right at the back. I'd say that's pretty much right where I want it. Spin it a couple times, check and see. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, so once that's done, all that's left to do is we're just going to tighten this back bolt up. So hand tight it first. And you're just going to use your torque wrench. You want to set it to basically 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pound. I think I said that the right way. I might have that backwards. So I'm going to grab my torque wrench. Yeah, 80 Newton meters is what I want. And that should be right around 59 foot-pounds. Just to double check, because I don't trust myself with math in public. Check the other side. Yep, that looks pretty good. All right, so now we're just gonna go in, set this on. And then this is one of the bolts. It is pretty important to torque this guy down proper. I wouldn't want to, all right, we're good. Let's go all set up. That's as easy as it gets, man. Chain adjusted, you're ready to go ride.